Hi all. Today I'm gonna brief experiment 4A about magnetic field. Let us start with preparation for experiment that you have to plan before entering the laboratory. For the step 1, read and understand the objectives and the theory of the experiment. Step 2, think and plan the working procedures properly for the whole experiment. Make sure you have appropriate table for the data. And for the step 3, prepare a jotter book for the data and observations of the experiments during pre-lab discussion. Once you step into the laboratory and settle down, you have to check the apparatus provided and note down the important information about the apparatus. Arrange the apparatus accordingly, exactly like figure 4.3. And finally, conduct the experiment carefully. Record all measurements and observations made during the experiment. On this segment, I'm going to show you how to carry out the experiment with a complete setup by referring to figure 4.3. Let us see some given apparatus in this experiment. A 2-volt DC power supply, a rheostat, a switch, connecting wires, a compass with a solenoid about 50 turns, a DC ammeter, and finally place the compass at one end of the solenoid. The ammeter must be at least 50 cm away from the magnet, so-called solenoid. Set the rheostat to its maximum value and switch on the circuit. Record the readings of the ammeter I and the angle of deflection theta. Reduce the resistance of the rheostat to increase the current I. And hence the corresponding value of theta. Obtain at least 6 sets of readings and make sure the deflection angle should not more than 80 degrees. Repeat step 3 by referring to procedure. You have to change the polarity of the power supply for DC ammeter as well. Record the angle theta 2 pointed by the compass needle in the table given. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot and thank you to the Lord.